Welcome back to It's About ChatGPT with our guest, Brad Howard. In this part of the show, we'll be discussing the best practices for ChatGPT prompt engineering.
Thanks for having me, Grace. This is an important topic, and I'm glad we can discuss it.
Absolutely. So, what are some of the best practices for prompt engineering with ChatGPT?
Well, first and foremost, it's important to have a clear understanding of the user's intent. You want to make sure that your prompts are tailored to their specific needs and are not just generic responses.
That makes sense. So, how do you go about understanding the user's intent?
There are a few ways to approach it. One is to do some research on the topic or keywords related to the user's query. You can also look at previous interactions with the user to understand their context and preferences.
That's helpful. And what about the length of the prompts? Is there a sweet spot?
It really depends on the use case and the type of content you're providing. In general, though, shorter prompts tend to perform better. It's important to get to the point quickly and clearly.
Got it. And what about the tone of the prompts? Should they be more formal or conversational?
Again, it depends on the use case and the brand's voice. However, in general, a more conversational tone tends to be more engaging for users.
Okay, that's good to know. And finally, what about testing and iterating on your prompts?
Testing and iteration are crucial to successful prompt engineering. You want to test your prompts with real users and gather feedback to see what's working and what's not. Then, you can make adjustments and continue to improve your prompts over time.
Great advice, Brad. Thank you for sharing your expertise on ChatGPT prompt engineering best practices.
My pleasure, Grace. It was great to be here.
That wraps up part 3 of It's About ChatGPT. Stay tuned for our final segment, where we'll be discussing the future of ChatGPT prompt engineering.